Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back to another video. Today's host is 8-Bit. Hello again. Yeah. Tonight is Chinese night. Yeah. Silky smooth. That is so much better. Light as a fucking feather. Fucking creepy bastard. I think I said in my last episode I'll get the handguards back on. Also, I'll be going out for a ride on Tuesday. Not sure where, not sure what time. Yeah, you bastard. That dog wanted me. Yeah, I feel all the power at the front just with the back brake, like lethal. Oh, my testicle. Ah, bastard. I think I sat on my testy. Yeah. Sat on my testicle. That's it. Closing the gap. Fucking BMW prick. So guys, my MOT has failed. I have to go home just to fucking grab everything I need now. So I need to grab my chain sprockets, I need to grab my disc brake pads as well, and then basically a bit close here, but yeah. But yeah, anyways, a bit pissed off now because I've got to get the parts and then come back down, so a bit more money to fork out now. I've got to look online now quickly, see what brake disc, rear disc I can buy to sort out some nights now for the next 4 shifts. It is what it is. Hate MOTs already. I have a new clutch fitted. I fitted myself. I've just got to do some minor adjustments just to get the biting point a bit better. But other than that, everything else is pretty much sussed out. The weather is fucking lovely. Not only that, I did fix up the front headlamp as well, only because it was hanging down a little bit too low, so I've had to cable tie it back to the straps that had come off originally. So a bit of a pain in the ass, to be fair, but it is what it is. It's really nice and easy to pull in the clutch again. Like, I was used to the old way anyway. It wasn't that bad, to be fair. So it didn't really bother me, but it was just on the end, so like the clutch was so far out, like to get a bite. It was bloody hard to, well, to get used to. And it's not like the cable was very like stretched or anything, because it wasn't. The problem is, it had 3,000 miles on it, so I mean, I guess so. But I wouldn't have said no. So, ooh. Personally, I would have said the wire at the bottom had rusted quite a bit, so it just obviously wasn't, I wouldn't say not looked after. It could be just shit materials, but I don't know, it's not something that's It's not necessarily needed to be cheaped out on, to be fair. So yeah, so the only thing that's left now really is my rear brake pads. I've got a little bit life left on them, so I'm not really too concerned about that right now. However, before I do the works, I will need to get some copper, I believe it's copper grease that you put on the back of the pads.